Hello guys, I just made this mistake in the process of this trade and I want to share with you the mistake I made so that you don't repeat the same mistake. Please avoid making this kind of mistake. Look at what happened. Remember we said we always do our analysis based on H4, that when price is below the middle Bollinger Band, we are in a downtrend. Now we are in a downtrend, no doubt. But let's look at our H1. Now look at our H1. Price is pulling back. And I've seen that price has pulled back to this zone here. Then you can see that my commodity channel index is at the top here. Now what I want you to see is the candlestick formation that was formed in this zone. So first, you can see that first we have this particular bearish engulfing candle, which look as if this zone is playing out. So I now decide to say, okay, at the close of this candle, I will sell. Then when this candle sell, immediately the next candle spike, so I did not get in. So after this bearish engulfing candle, the next candle that follows up was now a bearish hammer. So when I saw this candle, a hammer, I said, okay, this is rejection and this is a follow-up candle. Let me sell. I now sold. To my greatest surprise, that was my mistake. Please, anytime you want to enter based on candlestick pattern on a higher time frame, like H1, try and go to 15 minutes and see exactly what is happening. But coming to my 15 minute now, this is what I discovered. I discovered that what is forming on my 15 minute is a bullish flag pattern. Can you see it? On my 15 minute is a bullish flag pattern. So which shows that this trade has not actually comes to the end of the pullback for me to make my entry. Maybe probably I would have waited for this because I know if once it break out of this pattern now, it can continue all the way to this upper Bollinger Band, which will now be an exhaustion point before it will now begin to sell. So this is the mistake that I have made, that I would have come to my 15-minute time frame to see exactly what is the formation. What that means is that next time you want to enter this type of trade, let it not be making a short pattern. Let it be a clear move. The move be clear, let it be obvious. Let it be a clear and an obvious move. Look at this one. You see this? Look at this. When it retests this zone, look at how price moved from that zone. So you see that it was a continuous series of candles straight up. There is nothing like it's doing as if it's giving you higher high, higher low, no ranging at all. That is the best signal to get. Look at this, you see how it was moving. So even if I get an engulfing candle on a higher time frame, that is a straight up movement showing strength on the lower time frame, 15 minutes, it is better to enter the trade that way than this particular pattern. Okay, but I've already placed my stop loss, so whatever will happen, let it be. But if it did not go to my stop loss, immediately I break even, I will close this trade. Immediately I will close it. Because what I am seeing, it might now decide to say, okay, you see now, It might not decide to let it come down, retest here and then continue. I will have to close this trade. I will close this trade because this pattern will definitely blow out of that zone. Alright guys, as you can see, I have closed the trade. I did not see it earlier. I just have to take the loss. It's part of the business. Even if you choose to turn back. But believe you me, this pattern, please pay attention to this anytime you want to make entry based on the candlestick pattern. Because by the time this pull back here now, then maybe our CCI is already at this zone and then it will begin to come down. Then we can come down together. And when 15 minutes will get to this upper Bollinger Band, the 1 hour then has pulled to this middle Bollinger Band on the 1 hour. Then maybe we'll have divergence and then price will continue to the downside. So this is what I just discovered and I thought it is wise I share with you. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. Can you see what I just said now? You can see that it has break out of that particular chart pattern. So please don't make this mistake. Don't when trading 1 hour confirmation candle. See you in the subsequent video.